Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create animations or animated NFTs from your drawings or pictures, so stay tuned. Before we begin this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on how to create your own NFT project. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is either find a drawing or draw something yourself that you want to animate. I'm just going to find an image of a stick man for this example. I have now found this picture that I want to use for the animation. What you want to do next is you want to go to sketch.metademolab.com. This will be the website where you can create your animations. So right now I'm on the website, it should look something like this, and now I want to upload my drawing. As you can see, my drawing is now uploaded, and if I wait a couple of seconds it will load. I will now press continue, and agree. Now you want to make sure your whole drawing gets into the animation. If the website missed a part, you can easily draw the rest so that your whole drawing gets animated. When you are satisfied, you can continue. Now you want to make sure that the arms, legs, head and everything else are in the right place. When you are satisfied, you can then continue and your animations are ready. As you can see, you can choose from a lot of different animations. I will quickly show a few examples for you to see. You can then go ahead and download your drawing by making the screen big and press download. This was it for this short tutorial on how to turn your drawing into an animation or NFT. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you have any questions and what you want to see next.